Welcome back to another video, and as you can tell, today we are in my restroom. Today's video is going to be a little different than my usual content. I am getting my restroom professionally organized. I hired a professional organizer and she's going to help me get my together in my restroom because it is a complete disaster. I'm going to show you guys what it looks like right now. So I have all my skincare here. I kind of just put it there so that it would be easy to grab, but like as you can see, there's no organization, there's no coordination at all, and it's just kind of like randomly just there. And then I have like my jewelry over here, my rings, I have a bunch of candles, and then I have this like jewelry rack where I put some glasses, and then I also have some glasses here. And then my drawers are the biggest disaster of them all. The first drawer is where I keep my shower caps and my headbands and like my hair accessories, some chapstick, super just like random stuff that I need to have like easy access. And then this second drawer is a complete disaster. I have a bunch of products here. I have perfume, makeup, tanning, spray. I have bar soap, razors, literally everything just mixed together. I have wipes. It's just really messy. And then down here I have all of my irons, my hair irons, my rollers, my blow dryer. And then down here is like really messy. Like I have clothes which like obviously shouldn't be there, but I put it in there because I didn't know where else to put it because I have no space in my room. But yeah, I have clothes that I'm like selling on Depop in there, and then I just have like really random stuff. Like I have a lot of lippies in here, and then like nipple pasties. I have my iron, I have some bases, nail polish remover. It's just a hot mess, as you can tell. A freaking stuffed animal, so random. I just have a toilet paper and a bunch of bags back there, and sometimes I keep my towels in here if they fit. And in this drawer I have like hair extensions and like flea medication for my dog, his toothbrush, his nail clipper, and his comb. So as you can see, there's absolutely no organization in this bathroom. So that is why I thought it would be a good idea to like hire someone to help me get this situated. So yesterday we went to the Container store and I told her what I liked and how I wanted all of my things organized. And yeah, we bought the containers, and today she's coming over and she's just gonna help me just organize everything. So I thought it would be fun to bring you guys along. What is life without organization? It's just a hot mess. So let's get right into it. Okay guys, so we are here with my professional organizer. Her name is Elizabeth.
There's a few things here that I'm gonna ask you if you want to keep or you want to go. Do you need those?
No, we can get rid of them.
We can put everything in that area, things that you don't want.
Okay.
these over here though.
Okay. We finally finished and it looks so amazing. Elizabeth is gonna show us everything she did, starting with the first drawer.
So here we have all the stuff for her hair.
Shower caps, headbands, and then we're gonna put Q-tips in here.
Q-tips, yes, right there.
Yeah.
So there's a...
Everything is like divided like this. Is all the stuff that's like extra stock and stuff that I don't really use that often. I have like makeup sponges, and then over here is the stuff that I use like every day, like my face masks and my chapstick, and then all of my face washes, all of my perfumes. This one's like my favorite. It looks so nice. I have all of my like hair extensions in here, and then like wipes and feminine products, and then like my razors and everything.
If you guys remember, this is all for her hair and towels.
Yeah, we have like toilet paper back there, and then we have like the hair products, my rollers, my brushes, and then over here she got these really cool like racks from Container Store, and she was able to like wrap all the wires and set them there, which makes it super convenient and like really organized. And then all my towels and the iron. It looks so pretty. If you don't remember, we had like a little rack with all of my jewelry on the counter, which I didn't really love, but now we have it in here and it's all organized for me to see, and it's so pretty. So we put all of my makeup in here. Like back there is like a bunch of like lipsticks and just like foundation that I just have stocked in there, and then here's my makeup bag that I use every day, and then this is just like more extra, like PR makeup that I got. Yeah, we put all my sunglasses. We already had my sunglasses here, but I got rid of a bunch that I didn't like, and we just stayed with the ones that I really did like. Yeah, and then
here's the cuties base.
Yeah.
I really like this.
So if you guys don't remember, I had like all my skincare just like all over the counter. It was so random, and now we have it on this like rotating little, it's so cute.
Convenient and easy.
Yeah.
Find everything you want.
All the moisturizers, yeah. Mm-hmm. And then the serums and everything is up there. It's so cute. This one's my favorite too.
Yeah.
And we got everything, all of the containers and everything at the Container Store. That concludes the video, you guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Give it a thumbs up if you did, and subscribe to my channel. And if you guys want to get your restroom or just house in general organized, Elizabeth is great at it. So I'm going to leave all of her information in the description box. And if you have any questions, leave them down below in the comment section. I'll see you guys next time.
See ya.
Bye.
Thank you.